PWM's BM10 cold welder is a robust, manually operated machine for joining fine non-ferrous wire and strip. It can be used either on a workbench or supplied with a trolley, so it can be wheeled easily to the work area. Because of its basic design, the BM10 is very strong and easy to operate. It has few component parts, so requires little maintenance and is extremely reliable. The industry standard die is loaded into the die pocket, and the die gap is adjusted to suit the diameter of the material by turning the screw on top of the machine. The gates either side of the welding head are opened so the ends of the wire can be inserted into either side of the die. The BM10 is operated by a lever, which the operator presses 4 or 5 times to complete the weld. The release lever is then pressed to free the welded wire, and the flash is removed by hand.